Hello everyone, welcome back to Samoyed Studios. Today we're going to be crafting a sailor cape for dogs. But first, Elsa wanted to say hi. Good morning, Elsa. Today I'm going to be crocheting you a cape. You're gonna love it. What do you mean? I know you're gonna love it. You're gonna look beautiful. So starting with the blueprint, I kept the design as simple as possible as I haven't crocheted for quite a while. So I started off by creating a rectangular base with 60 chains, and then I added 2 rectangular structures on the side to act as the ties. To begin, I started with the slip knot and then I made 60 chains. I made sure to measure the length on Elsa prior to actually starting round 2 to 6. For the next few rows, you're going to chain 2 first and then double crochet 60 times for each row. I made sure to count, and I must say this really tested my focus. When you have your rows complete, you're going to close it off and then you're going to start the ties. So I started by looping through a new string, and then I chained once and then half double crocheted 4 times. And I repeated this pattern of chain 1, half double crocheting 48 times until it reached a length that was desirable for Elsa. I know I made a few errors here and there, but what really helped me to maintain the right width was to count to 4. Now I must say this process did take quite a bit. However, when I reached the desirable length, I counted how many rows I made, which was 48. I repeated the process on the other side of the rectangular base. After I completed the basic shape of the cape, I went in with white yarn and then I half double crocheted all around the structure. To be completely honest, I wanted it to be done at this point, so I rushed through the half double crochets. It could have been neater, but I was just happy that it was done at this point. Hooray, let's go see Elsa's reaction. Elsa looked adorable for like 3 seconds, and then she started attacking it vigorously. She hated it. I mean, Elsa, mommy did make it for you to wear, but I guess you had fun with it for a good minute or 2, destroying it with your sister. Thank you for watching Samoyed Studios today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.